Good morning, students. In this video, we will see the categorization of natural resources. So we have categorized natural resources on the basis of their usefulness, means which resources are useful for what purpose. So first we have resources for basic needs, mean the resources which are useful for the survival. For example, soil, water, timber, stones, etc. For example, soil. Soil useful for crops growing, agriculture, etc. Water is useful for drinking, cooking, etc. Stone is useful for making roads, buildings, etc. Then after we have resources for material needs, means some of the resources that we need for materials. For example, some metals, copper, aluminium, etc. These are useful for making vehicles, for making machines, etc. Then after we need fibers, means clothes, from different types of fiber, jute, cotton, etc. for making different types of clothes. So these are called as resources for material needs. Then after we have some resources which are required for energy. For example, coal, petroleum, diesel, natural gas, etc. In these are the resources on the basis of their usefulness. Some of the categories are on the basis of its exhaustion, means which resources are going to be end in the future, and which resources which cannot be end or which can be renewed. So on the basis of this we have two categories. One is renewable sources, resources, and another one non-renewable resources. So renewable resources, also known as inexhaustible, and non-renewable resources is also known as exhaustible resources. For example, in renewable we have sunlight, solar light, wind light, thermal, etc. Then non-renewable it can be coal, petroleum, diesel, which are going to be end in the future. Then after why here there's a concept that we need to conserve our resources, because at some point of time nature itself revive its original position. If something we use from the nature, then nature restore all these things. But at some point of time when we use enormously, when we use excessive, then at that point of time nature is not able to revive itself. For example, we use underground water excessively, and at that point of time uh, nature is not able to recharge its groundwater. So for that purpose, Government of India has launched a scheme, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, in 2019, and through this scheme, government is trying to make people aware to conserve water with the help of rainwater harvesting. And rainwater harvesting, there was a slogan, catch the rain when it falls, where it falls. It means कि जब भी बारिश हो, so we should store that water, and we need to help the groundwater to recharge, so that ki it will be easy or it will be helpful for us to get the water easily. Next we will see in the next video distribution of natural resources in all over the country. Thank you.